It was a moment that caught the world's attention. The head of NASA, standing before a room full of reporters, announced a discovery that sent a ripple of concern through the scientific community and beyond. We are closely monitoring an object from outside our solar system. Its name is 3I Atlas, and its path could bring it dangerously close to Earth, the NASA chief declared, his voice steady but urgent. This was not a routine press conference. The words interstellar object and potential Earth approach are rarely uttered in the same breath. Cameras flashed, the room buzzed with questions, and millions tuned in online. The world wanted answers. What exactly is this object, and just how worried should we be? The chief explained that 3I Atlas is only the third known visitor from beyond our solar system. Its trajectory, he said, is unlike anything scientists have tracked before. The uncertainty, he admitted, makes the situation even more challenging. This announcement was more than a warning. It was a call to action for astronomers, engineers, and the public. The universe had sent another mystery our way, and NASA was determined to unravel it before it came too close for comfort. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? The name itself tells a story. The 3I means it's the third known interstellar object. After Oumuamua and Borisov, Atlas refers to the observatory that first spotted it, but its true identity is even more fascinating. Unlike most asteroids or comets, 3I Atlas was not born in our solar system. It traveled light years through the darkness, perhaps ejected from a distant star system. Its speed and angle of approach confirm it is not bound by the sun's gravity. This is a true cosmic traveler, a piece of another world. What makes 3I Atlas so unusual? For starters, its shape and composition are still a mystery. Early telescope images show a spinning, tumbling object reflecting sunlight in odd ways. Some scientists think it might be a chunk of rock, others suspect ice or even metal. Its surface could hold secrets about how planets form around other stars. But perhaps the most thrilling fact is this: 3I Atlas is moving fast. Much faster than anything native to our solar system. It's a visitor from the great unknown, and its story is only beginning to unfold. Detecting an interstellar object is no easy task. It requires patience, powerful telescopes, and a bit of luck. The discovery of 3I Atlas began with a faint blip in the night sky, spotted by the ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, survey in Hawaii. The system scans the heavens every night, searching for anything out of place. At first, 3I Atlas looked like just another asteroid, but as astronomers tracked its motion, they noticed something strange. Its speed was too high. Its trajectory was tilted at an odd angle, one that didn't match any known solar system orbit. Calculations showed it was coming from far beyond Pluto, on a hyperbolic path. Within hours, observatories around the world turned their attention to the object. Data poured in, light curves, spectra, images. Scientists realized they were witnessing only the third confirmed interstellar visitor in human history. The race was on to learn as much as possible before it slipped away. Every night, telescopes followed 3I Atlas as it streaked across the sky. Each new observation helped refine its path, but also revealed how unpredictable it could be. The more scientists learned, the more questions arose. Most objects in our solar system follow predictable, elliptical orbits around the sun, but 3I Atlas is different. Its hyperbolic trajectory means it is just passing through, unless something changes, and that's where things get complicated. The path of 3I Atlas is affected by many factors: the gravity of planets, the pressure of sunlight, even tiny jets of gas escaping from its surface can alter its course. These effects are hard to measure, especially when the object is moving so quickly and is still so far away. This unpredictability is what worries scientists. With each new set of observations, the projected path of 3I Atlas shifts slightly. Some models show it passing millions of kilometers from Earth. Others suggest a much closer approach. The margin for error is slim, and time is ticking. Astronomers use supercomputers to run thousands of simulations, tweaking every variable. They hope to narrow down the possibilities before 3I Atlas gets any closer. But the cosmos, as always, keeps us guessing. So, what would happen if 3I Atlas came close to Earth? First, let's be clear. The chances of a direct impact are still very low, but the possibility, however remote, demands serious attention. If 3I Atlas were to enter Earth's atmosphere, its high speed would make it more dangerous than most asteroids. Even a small interstellar object could release energy equal to a large nuclear explosion. Depending on its size and composition, it might burn up in the atmosphere, or reach the surface, causing local damage. Scientists use powerful models to predict the effects of such an event. They consider everything: the object's speed, angle, density, and where it might hit. Emergency agencies work with NASA to plan for every scenario, from a harmless flyby to a worst-case impact. It's important to remember that Earth is hit by space rocks all the time. Most are harmless, but interstellar objects are rare and unpredictable. That's why every new visitor is watched so closely. NASA doesn't just watch the skies, they prepare for the unexpected. The agency has built a network of telescopes, satellites, and radar systems designed to spot threats early. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office leads the charge, coordinating with space agencies around the world. When a new object like 3I Atlas appears, NASA springs into action. Teams update tracking data every hour. Supercomputers run impact simulations. Engineers check emergency response plans, just in case. The goal is simple: no surprises. If there's even a small chance of impact, NASA alerts government leaders and emergency agencies worldwide. Plans include evacuation routes, disaster drills, and even ideas for deflecting or destroying a threatening object. It's a high-stakes game of cosmic chess, and NASA plays to win. But even with the best technology, the universe is full of surprises. That's why vigilance is key. Every observation, every calculation, brings us closer to safety. Leading astronomers have weighed in on the 3I Atlas situation. Dr. Amy Mainzer, one of NASA's top asteroid hunters, says, "Interstellar objects are like messages in a bottle from other worlds. They teach us about the universe, but we must treat them with respect." Other experts agree. Dr. Avi Loeb of Harvard calls 3I Atlas an opportunity and a challenge. He points out that every interstellar visitor is unique. We have so much to learn, but we must also be prepared for the unknown, he says. NASA's chief scientist, Dr. Thomas Zurbuchen, adds, "Our tracking systems are better than ever. We can spot objects earlier, calculate their paths faster, and respond more effectively, but nature always keeps us on our toes." The consensus is clear. 3I Atlas is a rare and valuable opportunity for science, but it's also a reminder that we live in a dynamic, sometimes unpredictable universe. As the world watches 3I Atlas, one thing is certain: humanity is better prepared than ever before. Advances in telescopes, computers, and international cooperation have changed the game. Early warnings are now possible. Emergency plans are in place. The odds of being caught off guard are lower than ever. NASA continues to monitor 3I Atlas, updating its path every day. The latest projections suggest a safe flyby, but the agency won't relax until the object is well past Earth. The lessons learned from this event will make us even stronger for the next cosmic visitor. In the end, 3I Atlas is a reminder of our place in the universe. We are not alone in the cosmos, but with science, teamwork, and vigilance, we can face whatever the stars send our way. The future of planetary defense is bright, and the adventure is just beginning.